Tucked into a quiet residential neighborhood in Tokyo, Nukui House is not a brand new build, but a thoughtful renovation of a modest wooden home originally constructed in 1976. Rather than replacing the structure, the architects chose to work with what already existed, revealing how older homes can be adapted to meet contemporary living needs without losing their original character. This project, led by ROOVICE, is part of a broader initiative that addresses a growing issue in Japan: vacant and aging houses. Instead of allowing these homes to deteriorate, the approach here is simple: intervene carefully, preserve what matters, and upgrade only where necessary. It's a strategy that feels both practical and quietly innovative. At its core, the design philosophy is about balance. The architects aim to maintain the structural integrity of the original house while introducing subtle changes that improve light, flow, and usability. Rather than a complete overhaul, the renovation relies on selective demolition and spatial reconfiguration, small moves that create a surprisingly large impact. Upstairs, the design continues this dialogue between preservation and intervention. One of the defining features, a red-tiled kitchen, has been reinterpreted with new red finishes, maintaining visual continuity while refreshing its appearance. A custom kitchen is added, making the space more functional for modern living. The ceiling is opened up to reveal the original wooden beams, adding both height and texture to the space. At the same time, insulation is discreetly integrated, improving comfort without altering the visual character. Walls are selectively removed to create a larger, open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area, allowing natural light to move more freely throughout the home. The transformation becomes most apparent on the ground floor. Originally divided into smaller, enclosed rooms, the layout has been opened up by removing corridor walls. This creates a more generous entry sequence that flows directly into the main living areas. The result is a space that feels immediately more connected and breathable, without expanding the building's footprint. Interestingly, traces of the past are intentionally left behind. The original kitchen has been removed, but a section of its tiled surface remains, almost like a quiet memory embedded in the space. Alongside this, new functional elements like a bathroom and updated finishes are introduced, while white painted walls and refreshed flooring provide a clean, neutral backdrop. Traditional elements are not erased, but carefully restored. Shoji screens are repaired, and while some tatami flooring has been replaced, the overall atmosphere still reflects its Japanese origins. This interplay between old and new creates a layered interior, one that feels authentic rather than overly polished. In the end, Nukui House evolves into a flexible 3-bedroom home that feels both contemporary and rooted in its past. It's a reminder that renovation doesn't have to mean starting over. Instead, it can be about careful editing, where each decision respects what's already there while making room for how we live today.